I just made my first batch of what I think will be something I'll be trying out for the next few months. I'm gonna show you how I will apply it. I'm going to be doing rinses from now on, basically, for my hair. Rinses have been really good for me. My hair has been in big chunky twists like this and under a wig for the past 2 weeks or so. It'll be in everyone's best interest if I literally just stick to one thing and see how it works over time. Ain't got time, all right? I have tried to massage my hair on a daily basis. I'm gonna wet this side as well. I will say my ends were not very well protected. I haven't been on the best behavior with my eating. So, also, while my hair has been in the wig, underneath the wig, I did spritz my hair nearly every day or every other day. Woo. This is my hair. It's pretty crazy. I'll show y'all a back shot. Okay. I think it's wet enough. This is like coconut vinegar. I'm just gonna add that to my scalp. Woo! And just let the sebum distribute naturally. Feels so good. Feels so good to have water on my hair. Can we talk about that? Now, it's a very small amount. I'm gonna pour it in here. It's cooled down. Once it's cool, I will add like essential oil filled with water. And now I'm literally just going to apply it to my scalp and let it run through my hair.
Different style when I'm trying to show ya. Take your tea where nobody knows ya. I don't know what you've been told, baby. Lately I've been on my own, baby. Only know I'm taking ya. Are we on a boat in the middle of the ocean? Way too drunk, I'm way too far, baby.
My hair already feels thicker, which is kind of cool. Feels like it's plumping up.
In California, I've been living on the edge, but I won't fall off. Got a couple hundreds for the spending. You should learn to share, baby. Oh no, I'm crazy. I know how I did it. I don't know. Heartbreaker, all yours. I know I said I changed my life, but that was last night.
And in just a few minutes, my hair feels strong, my sebum is still present. It's a bit frizzy, but for the most part, my hair feels good. And we will be using this front piece for the next couple of weeks to see what the growth looks like, okay? You can tell, you can see like my literal hair color, okay? Y'all always think I'm playing. There's no color. Definition is cool. It is pretty frizzy. Don't really like that. So we're just gonna do this. Yeah, my hair. The sebum is alive and kicking. Curls are looking bright, looking tight. Can't wait to dye my hair. Look at all that sebum, y'all. There's still so much sebum. Yeah, I definitely didn't strip my hair, which is good. And it still gave my hair what it needed, I guess. I don't know. My hair is quite voluminous, having not been picked or anything. It's also getting longer. Cool. This is it. Hair's looking right. Hair's looking tight. It's so strange. It's so frizzy. It's so fine. Bye.
She want to pay me a lot, pala. Give me gaga more, yeah, I want pala. They matter plenty, I know me only sata. Oh no, no.